was a completely new experience. We're so excited because the kind of story, what kind of storyboard, kind of sort of experience, what we had discussed there itself, the excitement started because we're going to do something new from what others are doing. Since it's a tech store, I also thought, can we do a visual merchandising also in a tech way? Can I introduce something new? So I discussed with my team member, my boss, Mr. Rakesh, who's have this vision of how we'll make this Azad into a completely a tech driven. We thought of, okay, we'll do a entrance arch, let's do a completely LED entrance. But can we do something different from what the regular LED, the store design agency helped us? So we are again very regularly build that how we can do it much better in a very different way. We don't want to play just content. There is a LED and then we'll just play content. They help us in creating a complete one storyboard from start to end. Even if it is a fixture or even if it is a tech or anything, everything, there will be everything. There is one shape to it. If you see all our screen, most of them, or not all of them, most of them, they're in curvature shape. So that's a key we took and we created the art. And the entrance, that's where we want to do a window. Then there's a discussion started, can we do a new thing? But those earlier for me also, because how to create the 3D content, now how to build it in, for me also it was very early to take that call. Because it was just before the store opening, was that let's start that. Then we created a LED screen in the shape of 1:1 sizes. Let's put in left and right. Let's create the promotion. That's what initially we thought. But in the back of my mind, I know there is something that was there where we can build it up. It's not only the entrance where you show the tech customer experience, because these are just the fancy stuff. They just customer pass in a second. Whatever creative you make it. But it definitely pulls the customer. So after that, your price point signages, it's what customer sees. So those also we were thought of, let's connect that also into digital. Not that you do a paper print or a vinyl print or maybe a sunboard just inside where there's one VM or one store manager keep on changing and things like that. Can we do something different where that one button can change my, even if I open 1,000 store tomorrow? Again, we worked on with our internal team. Our internal IT team is very, very strong. They understood our requirement. As I said, Mr. Rakesh is very, very open to such platform can be built it. But again, this also is dream. I mean, let's do this. Let's build this. Again, we worked with 2-3 vendors to crack this. How best we can do. So there also again we cracked the module, the signage model, the digital one. It's completely battery operated. It comes at least more minimum 5 years. It works. Again, it's managed centrally. Nobody can even, if I can, if I open a store in Guwahati, there is a fixture code which we are given. If I can decide today what is the signage can go in that. It's no intervention of either store manager or anybody. The challenges came in how we'll wrap with the fixture. That was the challenge. How you marry with the fixture. So because digital can come, the fixture vendor is different, your digital is different. How you marry this? So again, the discussion, we have taken the fixture vendor together and the external of our digital signage vendor together. Then we built it, we done the testing and it worked well. Our complete signage is digital. Not even a single signage having a paper or a vinyl. So it can be changed overnight anytime and it's valid up to 5 years. You no need to touch it because completely battery operated, and we are building better and better quality in coming days. Then after that, it's come to our trial room. Trial room also, it's something unique where how we make the customer to interact in trial room other than keeping a boring one. First we thought, let's do the colors, different colors. If I wear a party wear, let's give the party wear look and feel in the trial room. And if I take the casual wear or formal wear, so we made it's a very, very, very simple concept, but we made it in a way such way it looks wow. It's like how you nowadays if you buy any LED, it's have 3 variants, right? You have white and warm white and yellow. So certain story only we picked up because of that scenery, the atmosphere. It looks something wow. You have a button there. It says we are carrying a casual button or party and things like that. Also, there is a screen there which will help you to make in case if the size is not fit. Okay, the moment when you go inside the trial room, by default, that screen will tell you what all you carried. If you're taking a three garment, the three garment, it just show the garment. It will not show just the garment. It show with the model how it will look. Then after that, if in case the size is not suitable, there's a button there. You just press the button. In a 2 minutes time, somebody is going to give that piece to you and say that that you wanted this one. Also, that screen will suggest you, if you have selected this top, these are the options for the bottom, for the coordinates. So there is, in case a customer, this uplifted the experience. There's something new, and our maximum customers are trying our this smart trial room. Then if you come, we have another zone called Discover Mode, where maybe if you don't want to roam around the complete store, where that screen have the entire store collection in the screen. You just select those collections and just press the button again, go to the customer service desk. So whatever you have selected, by the time you reach that, all the collection will be within 2-3 minutes will be collected. Where you can again go to the trial room and try it and buy the shop. And then we have cash counter experience LD screens where the offers are running. At the same time, just not only focus on offers, it's about the experience. So whatever our new shoots or season shoots or our 3D content, we play in those big screens. The first store was the experiment. Believe me that the experiment is only we're just carrying away with all our needs to what we have. Our best teams are sitting in background where they crack this, how we can make it, because they understand our requirement. This is what our requirement, okay? They made the calculation that, okay, if I use this screen, if I do this resolution, if I buy from this particular vendor, or if I directly import. So there's a best team behind working on this and to ensure that it will fit on our CapEx system. When we open the first store, the confidence is given. Yes, the cost is not much. Yes, there is a slight cross the line, but we'll be able to bring it because it's very easy because it's just above the line. Okay. So working over the next rest of the stores become very easy for us. See, today in India, nobody have tried that because of keeping this in mind. See, once you try, I'm sure it will fit into your budget. It will going to give you a better experience with the customer. And you have to think larger way. You just can't do it in a few stores. Look for a okay, fine, whether it will fit in my budget or not. You have to think in a very larger way. Yeah, definitely. See, because I said here the quality is really, really important. Because doing LED, there are different qualities of LED. I'm not really a tech person in terms of quality wise, but after experiment, after meeting the vendors, I understood what quality I need to buy, what pitch I need to buy, what is the resolution I have to. Because once you get in, you have to know it. Because without knowing this, you will not be able to achieve this. The vendor will tell you about the LEDs only, but not about the content. He will tell you, okay, fine, if you use this you will show the fancy content when you're buying it, but are you able to create the content? That's a big challenge. That will come next. Putting LED is easy. What quality you buy from market, that is more important. But as a end consumer from within the company, I need to understand what we are buying. Okay, of course, our internal team will take us through, okay, this is the quality and this. But understanding from the vendor is really, really, really. I'll suggest the vendor whoever creates this LED or sells the LED, they can also suggest the content maker. If they make this, if they sell this together to any other retailers, because everybody will not create the content, because creating content is very expensive. Maybe you buy a LED might be easier. Why people get fear of buying LED? Because I'll buy it, but what I'm going to run in that? You have to do a shoot, you have to do this. So if they can give that clear picture when they sell, when they explain, then things will be more easier. Definitely the quality and the kind of warranty which they give, because these are LEDs, because nowadays the way China makes, you can't really make out, who's give the best quality to you, and you can't buy it from anybody. You need to buy it from the right vendor. That's really, really important. Of course, yeah, definitely. See, they have to know, because if you don't think somebody is going to do that, so you can't just change it overnight. It requires that time for current retailers, but they can quickly transform it. If Azad or maybe somebody are not right, they will take a longer time. Now we are there. We are already experimenting. They also, of course, the customer mindset will fast, they will change. You don't know what is tomorrow. So we have to be ready for it. Like how you guys are planning DDX exhibition really helps people to understand, what kind of product they would buy after Azad and lot of other retailers getting into screens and digital and tech part of 3D windows. Okay, I'm sure they will be interested to to see such shows. So it will definitely help them also. I'm sure it will be win-win situation for both the sides.